You do not have to use AI for AI to show up on your electric bill. Because the AI boom isn't just happening inside apps, it's happening inside warehouses that require servers that use electricity all day, every day. And now utilities are preparing the grid for that demand. More wires, more substations, more battery capacity, more planning for electricity that will require data centers years from now. So the question isn't just how much power does AI use? The question is, when they build the new grid for AI, who receives the bill? That's the hidden system. Your electric bill doesn't only consist of the electricity you used last month. It can also be used to help pay for the grid that is being built for the demand we will see in the future. And data centers are not normal customers. They don't just plug in like a house or a store. They can need huge amounts of constant power, extreme reliability, cooling, backup systems, and grid connections big enough to support entire online campuses. That matters because the grid has to be ready for this before the demand fully hits. Otherwise, it can't keep up. Because of this, utilities and grid operators don't wait for the lights to go out. They start planning for the future. They forecast demand, reserve capacity. They build infrastructure and then ask regulators to approve the cost. In plain English, a data center can affect the grid before most people even know that it exists or will exist. That is why this is becoming a fight right now. AP reported that officials in at least 6 states are pushing back against this new infrastructure and utility rate increases as electricity bills rise and AI data centers become part of this argument. The fight is simple. Tech companies want power. Utilities want to build. Politicians want the AI boom, and regular customers do not really want their bill quietly turned into someone else's infrastructure plan. The clearest example is PJM, the country's largest wholesale power market. Its independent power monitor has reported that wholesale power costs have jumped about 75% since the first quarter of 2026, compared to the same period last year. The monitor pointed directly to data centers as the reason for this high jump. But be careful, that doesn't mean that every electric bill went up 75% or will. It means that the pressure inside the market is growing. When pressure builds there, that is what can eventually affect your electric bill. And this is the part that makes AI feel different than a normal app. The app feels weightless, but the grid does not. Every search, model, agent, it's tied to power that has to come from somewhere, and someone has to pay for it. And as long as the services are free, the companies can't really be responsible for that cost. The International Energy Agency says that demand from data centers surged in 2025, and that AI data centers grew even faster. It says that the total data center electricity is set to double by 2030 and triple within the AI sector. The real question is whether the cost to expand this grid is going to stay on the companies producing these AIs. If a data center needs a new substation, a new transmission line, or a new backup capacity, who pays? The company using the power? The utility building the system? Or everyone connected to the grid? That's the real hidden cost of AI, not just your job or your data, not what it does online. The hidden cost is power, and whether ordinary people like you and me are going to become the financial backup for these machines. The future is not just being coded, it's being wired, and the bill is already on its way. If you like videos like this, please check out some of our others on the channel and consider subscribing. Thank you for watching The Hidden Media.